You don't have to be a Harvard grad to make big money, but in this course, you will see amazing things that are possible if you become an online teacher. This course is specifically designed for those people who don't speak English language very well, but want to create a course in English language so it becomes available globally. Okay? When you craft the necessary skills to become an online teacher, when you learn from someone who's already been there, when you enter an industry that's exponentially growing, when you serve from the heart, and when you want to over-deliver, when you want to truly impact others, and then take uncomfortable action with the right steps, your new course could be the success that you could never imagine. The possibilities are limitless. Now, I'm not saying that this will happen overnight. It took me years to get here, and I'm still improving. And a lot of crazy thoughts will pop up in your head during your journey. But you have to know that you have more potential and you are not utilizing it. So it doesn't matter where you came from or whether you are living in a poor country stuck in day-to-day routine. We all underestimate what we can do just a year from now. Now, this course starts with a spark of hope. And then after hope, we got to gain new capabilities. And after the capabilities, we got to take an action. And after the action, we got to be ready to fail, improve, and keep going. And we got to be ready for that self-doubt telling us we can't. And our friend telling us we are crazy. So get through that. And all of a sudden, it's like you are passing through the storm. And you are in a place where the most people don't exist because most people gave up on the first roadblock they had. So for the first time in your life, are you ready not to give up? Are you ready to go all in and make this real in your life? And if you are thinking, who would buy a course from me? Smart people and smart entrepreneurs. And why? Because smart people pay for speed. If there's one thing that make them more comfortable, it's worth every dime for them. Now, smart entrepreneurs and smart business people pay for others people's experiences. That's how you get where you want to be quicker. That's what you are getting today. This took me 3 years to figure out, and you will get it in hours. Now, I will teach you how to narrow down the problem so you can teach about what you've done rather than what people should do. You don't project onto them. We teach about our experiences so that we can own that. No one can question that. And then I will explain how I teach so you can model me, how I create my courses, and how I'm delivering my courses to the world. Now you have to decide for yourself. You can go learn on your own and take years, or you can learn in a few hours with me because I've already been there. Taking this course could be the single greatest decision you've made in your whole life. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Now, the good news is that this is not an investment in the program to help you create online course. This is your investment into the transformation of detaching your time from your income, scaling your impact and expertise to a global audience. I will show you how to enter the global market of online teachers and how to create your first course in English language even if you are non-English speaker. Just like me, I'm not native English speaker. And how to get your first sale and your next sale and have consistent sales. Work, serve others, create real impact, and create real success. If you are brand new or thinking about this, or you've been dabbling, even if you are in it, you have to grab this course and follow my journey. You don't need luck. You need the right system and strategy, and then you got to take action towards your first sale, your next sale, and your consistent sales, okay? And there are lots of reasons why should you do it. And we will talk about them in the course. Maybe you need another source of income. Maybe you want to make this full-time job, or maybe you want to heal the world. Did you know, for example, that Chinese people are the oldest living civilization in the world? Can you imagine how many ancient recipes and medicines are out there that are unavailable to the rest of the world just because of the language barrier? Now, create a course in English language so you can heal the world. So the point is, there is no one else going to save us. This is on us, and we have to know we push through the uncomfortable action, we get to take our new hero's journey. Now, if not this industry, then what? If not you, then who? How long have you suffered not making the money you want? How much longer you are going to suffer? How about now is the time we take courageous action and start shifting your life? If not now, when? Let's get started.